meditation? Like, how do you guys meditate? What would you say a good tip to start meditating would be?
Meditation is mental exercise, like physical exercise. This is mental exercise,
Inside.
mostly concerned with the mind.
Oh, thank you. Okay, that's beautiful.
We need to control the mind to be stable and pure every present moment. In this way, the mind will be more and more stable and pure. Stability is the power of the mind. In this way, our wish can be fulfilled by itself. Purification is the wisdom or freedom of the mind. In this way, the mind will be more wiser and then more free to think freely.
Okay, and then how often would you say would be a good amount to meditate, or just whenever you feel the need, or how do you know when to meditate?
Every present moment is the time for meditation.
Even like walking around and stuff? Too,
Walking, speaking, listening, eating, thinking. Every moment is the time for practicing meditation.
Yeah.
How long if you want
Like
to
just
start?
daily or just all the time, or and then what kind of tools do you think I would need, or is it just yourself?
Like how to sit, if she needs a cushion, a quiet place to sit.
It's free. In the beginning, you need chair, you need bookcase. In the long run, you are free. You can practice freely. No more sitting on the chair, no more cushion. Your mind will be able to detach from chair, cushion, and even from yourself. Now you attach on your dog, on yourself. If you can practice meditation, you can detach from the dog, from yourself. In this way, your mind will be more and more free and powerful. Your mind will be able to survive by itself. No more attachment on anything or anyone. Just the mind is surviving, existing by itself. No more thinking, no more desire, no more worry, no more fear.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I'll definitely take that into account.
We can give you the address of our location and you can come anytime to ask
Yes,
or
yes.
to practice together with us. Yeah.
Really?
So-
Yes.
You are welcome to come into the business.
Thank you so much. You guys are so beautiful. I really appreciate the opportunity to
Yes.
speak to you. What is your name?
Automata.
I really appreciate you guys talking to me. Thank you.
Yes, please speak and
Thank you.
I'll text you the address.
Thank you. Have a beautiful day.
You too.